Go.
Hey guys, welcome to Computers Plus at Cartersville, and I'm here to talk to you about our red dot special that we are doing. If you come in and see a red dot on a device, a product, computer, monitor, what have you, we are actually doing upwards of 15% off of some of these products. If you want more information, you can either come into the store at 900 North Tennessee Street or give us a call at 678-385-4515. The other thing I do want to remind everybody about is our Halloween costume contest. So if you come in your Halloween costume, we take a picture of you, and then on November 1st, we actually have a drawing for who won. We have first, second, and third prizes, all the way from a MacBook device, laptop, to a tablet and a Windows PC laptop. So it's a really, fun way and a great way of having a chance to win a free computer, especially for those that, are wanting a Mac. This might be a great chance for you guys to get. But if you guys have any questions, we're open from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. We adjusted our hours, so it's taken me a little bit of chance to fix it. From 10 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening. We're located right off of North Tennessee Street. There's a big green sign that says Computers Plus. Come on in and we'll help you out. And if you guys got a device that needs fixing, bring it in and we'll get you guys taken care of. Hope you guys have a great day.